In June 2026, the world turned its eyes to the Faculty of Civil and Industrial Engineering at Sapienza University of Rome, where global experts, innovators, and visionaries gather for CRAWMA, the International Conference on Circular Raw Material and Recycling for Sustainability. This first edition addresses one of the greatest challenges of our time: securing official resources, reducing waste, and designing a truly circular economy. Across 2 days, 17 through 18 June 2026, CRAWMA explores cutting-edge themes from urban mining and advanced recycling technologies to the use of artificial intelligence in building smarter, more transparent supply chains. These discussions go beyond science and technology. They aim to protect the environment, strengthen the economies, and create sustainable opportunities worldwide. Through keynote lectures, panel debates, and research presentations, the conference provides a vibrant platform for sharing knowledge, forging collaborations, and shaping real-world solutions. It is not just a meeting, but a movement towards sustainability. At the same time, CRAWMA places participants in the heart of Rome's treasures, the Sala del Chiostro and Sala degli Affreschi inside San Pietro in Vincoli, surround attendees with history and beauty. Only steps from Michelangelo's statue of Moses and a short walk from the Colosseum and Roman Forum. Between sessions, delegates can explore the city's timeless streets, making the events both intellectually inspiring and culturally unforgettable. Selected contributions will appear in the Scopus-indexed Advance in Science, Technology and Innovations ASTI series, while outstanding papers will also have the opportunity for Q1 publication in the MRSE journal. On details on themes, submissions, and registration, visit the conference website or contact us.